Hey YouTube, Scott Off-Road, how you doing today? Well, it is a great day in the garage because we got a new engine, new heart for the Jeep. 5-year warranty, unlimited miles. This is going to be fun. We're going to go ahead and start getting them dressed out so we can get it put in. Hope you enjoy it. Like, subscribe, follow. See you in a few. So anyway, I ordered my engine Thursday from Michigan, Thursday morning. Friday morning I get a phone call from the delivery company in Omaha. My engine's ready to be delivered. They wanted to deliver it Monday, but I'm working, so it looks like Tuesday. So I am completely and totally stoked at how fast that got here. I got a call the night I ordered it from the auto parts company that had all the accessories to go with it. The kit I ordered comes with spark plugs, water pump, thermostat, and a few of the accessories, but those are sourced locally, so they were ready to be picked up. In fact, I got to go pick them up today. So now what I'm doing is just cleaning up the wiring. Got the underneath the hood, inside of the fenders all color matched, so when you look in my green Jeep underneath the hood, you don't see a blue hole. So pretty stoked about that. As I'm doing this, I realize my exhaust manifolds are cracked. So that's not good. And then not only are the exhaust manifolds cracked, this Jeep's got, it's got two Cadillac converters right underneath the exhaust manifolds. And I've had a check engine light for years saying that they're not coming to temperature correctly. Well, the reason is the front one's got all the honeycomb stuff that it's supposed to, and the other one is completely empty. It blew everything out. So had to order exhaust manifolds, and then I had to order or schedule an appointment to take it in after the engine's in to get new cats put in. So adding a lot of dollars to this project. She's pretty. One thing I found out this year is that there are Some of the antifreezes will eat and deteriorate your gasket maker. Make sure you use the right stuff or you're repeating your work. Repeating your work sucks. Day 2 of the install. The valve cover is just sitting on there right now, so I can put fluid in it so I can prime it. And I've run out of parts. Alright, so we're on day 2, pretty much out of parts. I have oil pressure sending unit I can put in, water sending unit I can put in. I decided not to use the old harmonic balancer. I went and put a new one, so I'll put that on. I set the valve cover on so I can put oil in it. I'm going to take that back off so I can prime the engine with oil. Could not find an oil priming tool. Everyone I talked to said build one. Go get a cheap screwdriver, which I did, $2, Harbor Freight. Cut the handle off, flatten it up a little bit, fits perfect. Put it in a drill, prime the motor. I also bought an oil pressure gauge that I'll put in so I can make sure I have oil pressure when I'm doing it. That's just kind of that sucks. That was a $20 gauge that I'm going to use for a total of 5 minutes, and that's it. So, but on the flip side, if I don't have oil pressure, I'd rather it know now. So all in all, that's good. Could go ahead and put the engine in today, but taking the exhaust off in the Jeep sucked, and I've seen a lot of videos and I've heard a lot of people talk about really to do the exhaust, either take the fender off, take the engine out, or have somebody else do it. So since I have the engine out, I'll do the exhaust outside the vehicle. I figure that'll save me a lot of headache. So that's where I'm at. Let's see what else we can do today. Alright, here we go. I've never primed an engine before. This ought to be fun.